Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all. So when I bring you these deals, I bring it to you on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went into Dollar General, to do them deals, get that stuff, get those products so we can put it in our stockpile and be good, But, y'all, excuse my voice again. It's coming around a little better, but not good, not great. My allergies is still, and y'all, look, it is raining outside. Look, see what I'm saying? It's raining here, so it's making me worse. It's not making me really better. It's making me worse. And I'm outside Dollar General. Yes, I am. So, y'all know I'm in my car. So, went into Dollar General trying to, find me a low deal. It's on the low, but it's not the low. But, it is what it is. So, let's get to this video. All right. So, these Cottonelles, they are for $5, but I do have a dollar digital coupon that is coming off, and that came off. And then I also got another Cottonelle. They are $5, and I had a dollar manufacturer coupon that actually came off. Okay. Then the next thing is the Snuggle. Snuggle and All has a deal is when you buy two, it's $4 off of two. Okay. So you can either do all. You can either do the all detergent, or if you do Snuggle, you can do the Snuggle fabric softener, fabric sheets, or you can do the beads. So my store I wanted the beads. The store didn't have the beads, so I went ahead and got this the Snuggle fabric softener. Y'all, this fabric softener smells so good. It is so good. So I try to get this as much as I can, but the other new kind of brands are good too. All right. So then the next thing are these Sargento ballast brakes, cheese and crackers. These are so good. These are $1.25. There is 75 cents off manufacturer coupon. Go on coupontime.com and you can put that in for Sargento, and it'll tell you where that coupon is. Also for the Cottonelle, you can go on coupontime.com and just put in Cottonelle, and it'll tell you where that manufacturer coupon is. Y'all gonna hear some thunder and lightning right now. And y'all, I know this is the weather that I need to be at home, up under the bed, chilling. But I had to get out and do my couponing. Y'all, I had to. I always have to bring it to my family. So the next thing is the Soul Simple Smooth. These are $3.30. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. The next thing is the soft soap. The soft soap, I got this pink, peony, and sea salt. This is body wash, and let's see. Look, it done fell over, y'all. Y'all know I'm in my store. Y'all know I'm in my car, so everything can't fit on my front seat. It is $4. There's a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The last thing, y'all, and I wanted to make sure that this worked, and I was hoping it was working. I knew it was going to work, okay? So, I got the Suave 2-in-1. Y'all know that's hair and body wash, right? Then also, I got this Suave sea salt and a Eucalyptus, sometimes I'll be just breaking up these words, body wash, okay? Now, there is a digital Dollar General coupon. Buy one, get one free, okay? And it is Dollar General. Also, I had a $1.50 off manufacturer coupon that attached to this, but it's $1.50 off of hair product. Now this is body wash and hair, so it did attach to this product. So y'all, I got that real cheap, right? Real cheap, because I got the buy one get one free, right? And then you buy the body wash and you get the hair product free. But since this is hair and body, it attached. Okay, it did attach. And then when I gave her the $1.50 off manufacturer coupon, it attached too. So I was so happy on that. And that's what I actually calculated up, because y'all know I tell y'all, and I stress it in my videos to tell y'all, if y'all in Dollar General and if the Wi-Fi is working, yes, if the Wi-Fi is working, go to the cart, scan all your products, okay? Your digitals will come off, but if you got manufacturer coupon, you're going to take that off manually. Then take the $5 off. Your subtotal should come to what the register is going to print out. It's going to tell you what you got. It's not going to have all your taxes on there. Well, it might have your tax. Yeah, it'll have your taxes on there. I'm sorry. But I always just look at the subtotal, so I know how much everything is going to be. But it does have your taxes on there, and it is, to me, accurate. I always use it, and my stuff comes out great. But like I said, if you have any manufacturer coupons, you're going to have to take that off manually, okay? Take that off manually. So, after all the products was scanned, all my digitals came off. She took off I had 3 manufacturer coupons, and all 3 of them came off. My subtotal was $11.30. Yes, $11.30. And y'all can't beat that, because look, the toilet paper is $5 each. $5 each. And then the Ritz is $1.25. So it's like I actually paid nothing for the rest of this stuff. Everything else was free. So let me show you my receipt. All right, so there's the Cottonelle, and the dollar came off. There is the there's the soft soap body wash, the digital. There's both the Snuggle, the digital came off. Okay, and then there's the Suave. Now, see how the Suave is? Those 2 store discounts that came off, which was the 5 off of 25, and then the buy one get one free came off. Then y'all look up under this one with the men with the body wash and the hair. There's the $1.50 manufacturer coupon came off. There's the Sargento, the 75 cents came off, and then there's the Big, and then that came off. The $3 came off. $11.30. You can't beat that. Look at my total savings. $20.25. Now, and no 5 off of 25 came off on my receipt, but y'all know they always make sure we get digitals. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.